So, aloha, my friends. This is the topic, how to make Copilot Studio talk to you via phone. And a little bit about me. So, I'm Bülent Altinsoy. I'm based in Germany, so live here, born here, raised here, but my origin, my parents are coming from Turkey. That's why I'm Turkish and German at the same time. I'm also, since beginning this year, in Microsoft MVP, and since a longer time in Microsoft Certified Trainer as well. I am at Evanate, a company since 14 years, in a new role beginning this month as a senior Power Platform and Copilot Studio expert, and have started my community journey last year. Thanks to the people who've been here on this call, who were very supportive and encouraging me to start this journey. And I'm very happy to be here. So in the interest of time, I'm just over jumping that and jumping directly to the scenario. So I'm pretty sure a lot of people here have children. So if not, I can only recommend you make some babies. It's really fun, especially if they're growing. They're cute in the beginning, but they can be really emotional terrorists later, I can tell you. Um, Later on, one of the scenarios, especially when winter is coming, one of the things which just really comes very often is the kids are getting really sick very often. This winter, my wife and my son were really battling for the dropping who wants to get sick the most time, right? So, and what's happening when your kid is sick? You have to call, obviously, the doctor. And when you call the doctor, what's happening, at least here in Germany, but I'm pretty sure that happens everywhere else, is everyone else is calling doctor as well. So you have a busy phone line, which ends up at the end that you are very angry. I, for example, need 300 or 400 times till I get through. And sometimes I'm really, really angry because they said there's no appointment for you. Try it tomorrow again, and so on. And I'm like, I will come and find you. So I want to play GTA 5. And when I have that kind of feelings, what it means. So I mean, that could be an easy solution. An easy solution could be, done with Copilot Studio, if of course the petitions would really know about that. So Copilot Studio have the power, amongst others, about the knowledge. You can add a lot of knowledge, and every petition has knowledge which you can add, as unique and can help, especially for young parents, because these are mostly the desperate people who just calling and just want advice. And this can be very, very easily done. So obviously you don't want to send them to the hell of a chatbot. You just want to make them that Copilot Studio talks to them. So what I need for this? So these three magic letters. So IVR, interactive voice response. So interactive voice response supports when you have US tenant, also European tenant, speech and DTMF support, dual tone, all of frequency support, and also that you can integrate a voice-enabled agent, and you need at the moment still a service like D365 customer service just to do this. So in that case, let's hope that the demo gods are really with us, and I would just jump over and just go directly and do the demo. So what we see is here, I've built an easy petition agent here in that case. So when I just do this and go to the right side and just say, here in my options, I currently can't see the options, but you will definitely hear them. So I just want to play that, you see that in front. So for example, one of the most things which just happens is fever, for example. So when I say my kid has fever, so I just advised Copilot agent here in that case that he shall give me a quick answer based on that. So ensure your child stays hydrated and comfortable, use a serum method, blah, 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 blah. So, but we're not here to read text. We just want to do the demo here now with this phone, which you can see on the screen. So let me just call then the service.
Thank you for your call. Our virtual agent and human agents can help with your questions about our stores or product issues. Stay tuned to talk to our Copilot. Hello, and thank you for calling your health service. I'm here to help you the best possible way I can. Here are your options. You can press 1 or say fever, press 2 or say cough, press 3 or say cold, and press 4 or say ear infection.
Fever.
Ensure your child gets plenty of fluids to avoid dehydration. Use acetaminophen or ibuprofen to reduce the fever following the correct dosage. If your child is under 2 years old, consult your pediatrician for the correct dose. Was this advice helpful? You can press 1 or say yes, and press 2 or say no.
Yes.
I wish your child a speedy recovery.
So, so luckily the demo worked, which I'm very happy about. So that wasn't always the case when I just demonstrated on conferences. So I have quite a history. So I've recorded the video for any case it would have gone wrong. But what's very, very important is, so you can just configure this, but how can you really let Copilot Studio speak at the end? As I said, you need the service like D65 customer service at the moment, for example. And when we just go there, then you can just configure it quite easy. So you do have your work streams, and when you just click on your work stream, then you do have where you can just configure the speech here in that case. So, and when you just scroll down, I just have scrolled down so that everyone can see the telephone number. Otherwise, they will just, try it out and call to that bot. What you just configure at the end is the bot here. So in that case, when you just click on edit, so you can just do any kind of these things, what you just heard. So what is new at the moment is that you hear via voice that Copilot just says, I'm Copilot, we're now connecting to your Copilot and so on. But I think this is also configurable in the future. So I do have now my prediction agent, which I just have configured. So how can I do this one? So once you just go back and you just go to your channels and you publish this one. So once you just publish this one here, by this one, it's available. And then you just go then to your bots. And when you just click on the refresh, after a second, you will see then one of the agents which you just have done. So I've just have published mine 1 hour, 1 day before. That's why you see this, 23 hours ago. And then you can just select this one. When it's appearing here, awesome. Then you can just connect that without any problem there. So now let's go a little bit and see how the magic within topics then works. So if I just go to the systems and I just have put everything to the conversation start here. So what I just did is, it's very important when you start this one, I've used a template for voice that's only available in the US tenant and the European tenant. So for example, Germany does not support this one. That's why I've set this tenant up in the US to show you the demo. Hopefully this also comes to Germany as well. But if you're using a European tenant, it's no problem. It's available and then you can use it in projects as well. So what we just do is you can just configure speech and DTMF in this case. And what you can also see is here, I have just configured multiple options. In that multiple options, I do have fever, cough, cold, ear infection. You can use anything what you want. These are the typical ones my emotional terrorist is permanently getting. So that's why I've just put them in there. So you can also use this one. You also have this option here in Copilot Studio as well, and play this through a demo and can also try it there as well. What I'm just doing is I'm just going through a condition. And at the end by this condition, what I'm just doing is I'm converting this into a value with a simple PowerVex formula. So if you just go in here and just also see how the PowerVex formula looks like, then what I'm just doing is a simple conversion. So I'm saying text and topic, sickness, choice, and then I just have the text value of that. When I just do this, I'm just passing over this value, sickness string in that case, and let the data sources do the magic. What I do have, I have just combined 2 knowledge sources there, and I'm just asking in that case, please use these knowledge sources and also keep the answer to maximum 200, because if you just allow Copilot Studio to chat, then it will bore you with a lot of details, because Copilot Studio says, I'm so smart, I can bore you to death. So that's why how you can limit it a little bit, so being less chatty in that case. So what I'm just doing is I'm just asking if this answer this is good or not. So due to the interest of time, I just have shortened this a little bit up. What I did is, in this might be also an interesting scenario as well. I just have saved the user the response previously here. I didn't have show that. Let me just show that quickly in advanced. So in that case, and I'm using this advanced at the end here in my edit and just going and say, please don't use the same which you have used in answer. So in that case, that it shall use it a little bit differently and also describe it a little bit, because sometimes parents like, I don't know, this is not helpful for me. Can you do something else? Based on that, you can also influence Copilot Studio and the agent a little bit, how you just do this. So more or less, that's it. That's a demo. I'm just looking at the time, as we don't have so much time. But if you're interested in building this, I have just published that on a blog post 3 months ago. So the basics are there. You can just see this. If you want to build it on yourself, just scan the QR code, and I'm happy just to see what you can build. And maybe you come also with some kind of other amazing ideas. This, and if you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, and I also saw that David has shared the links. Thank you very much. I'm happy to connect with you. So for more new Copilot Studio newsletter news, so stay tuned. Tomorrow there will be exciting news also be shared. So in that case, thank you very much for having me, and back to you, David.